Everyone else has a purpose. Open, close, pull out, push back in. Me, I have no purpose. Interacted with only by accident. Nothing but decoration. Not even the kind of decoration that stands out and looks attractive. I fill a gap to stop the gap from looking ugly. I blend in. I'm not the only one, of course. There are others. On the wrong side of a corner, or below the sink. Sometimes I dream of being something more. And someday, someone will enter the kitchen to find my drawer ajar. They will walk towards me, confused, and see me for what I am. That is only a dream. Instead, I am stuck here, completely ignored, except by accident, doing nothing but blending in. No meaningful purpose to my existence.